a lot of online marketplaces, such as eBay, um, Amazon, plus a lot of other marketplaces, such as Facebook, um, Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree Marketplace, which is commonly known in Australia, and many other sale marketplaces. Like, these marketplaces sell all these retro gaming consoles. What's the point, though? Because, like, to own one in 2024, it's not worth the money to repair it either.